In today's video, I'm unboxing my new Cameo 5. I got the Silhouette Cameo 5 print and cut bundle in pink. The bundle includes a couple of packs of sticker paper, a cutting mat, a couple of tools, an auto sheet feeder, electrostatic mat, and of course the Cameo. I already had the Cameo 4 to begin with. That's what I started my sticker business with, and now I think it's just time for an update. And I know this machine came out a year ago, but why not try something new? I also forgot to mention that this comes with the roll feeder for your vinyl rolls. You just attach this to your machine and put the roll of vinyl into it and just feed it through without a mat. This is the auto sheet feeder, which I think is pretty interesting. You can now print a barcode and stick all the paper that you can, well, probably only 20 sheets, and let it just feed through your machine without having to keep unsticking and sticking onto your mat. I haven't tried it yet, but it seems pretty cool. I'm super excited for the electrostatic mat. I love it for cardstock, like making birthday cards or any type of card. I use it in this video and I think it's the best thing ever. Usually when I use the mat, half of my pieces rip apart, so I can't ever use them and finish the project. But this makes it a lot easier. These are the 3 tools that the bundle came with, alongside the packs of sticker paper and printable heat transfer paper. I did test their printable vinyl and it's pretty good. I probably wouldn't fully use it, mainly because I can't really find any more, even on their website, unless I searched wrong. I don't know. Before you start up the machine, make sure to remove all the tape packaging, and before you actually plug it in, download the Cameo software. This part of the machine was pretty tricky to apply. It's for the auto sheet feeder, but eventually I figured out how to put it on, and I haven't used it as of yet, so I'm not too sure if it's good or not, but in the future I will, and I'll keep you posted. If your sticker paper gets jammed, you could open it by pressing these little buttons. I think I'm obsessed with the electrostatic mat the most. It made cutting cardstock so much easier for me and enjoyable. Before I would hate it because it would just get stuck to my mat and make it impossible to remove. The Cameo 5 is a lot more quieter than the Cameo 4. I could actually withstand listening to it cutting, even with the awful sound. I'm very happy about that. I really don't know why the Cameo sounds so loud. I also have the Cricket, and I don't remember it being extremely loud like this one is. All of my pieces cut out so perfectly and no sticky residue on the back like when I cut it on the mat. It looks great. I'm actually obsessed with how good it came out. I ended up making a birthday card for my little brother as my first project. I'm still not sure how to attach the pieces to each other. I'm just using a glue stick, but if you have any glue recommendations that I should try, please leave them down in the comments. I would love to read them. This is a finished product, and that is the completion of this video. Stay excellent. If you want to subscribe, please subscribe. If not, that's fine too. Have a great day. Bye-bye.